মেয়েদেরকে তো ওরকম করে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে না দিদি, আমার মতন তো অনেকেরই তো এরকম জীবনে ঘটে গেছে।
Again and again, traffickers seem to get away with it. At least Selma managed to get a job with the police with the help of a charity.
দিদি ভাবতেই পারিনি যে পুলিশরা আমাকে উঠিয়ে নিয়ে এসে পুলিশরা আমাকে রাখে, পুলিশের কাজই করবো, আমি ভাবতেই পারিনি। সত্যি খুব সুন্দর লাগছে।
It was ironic, because even though Selma now worked for the police, she still could not bring her trafficker to justice. India has many laws and government initiatives which could, in theory, stop child trafficking. But as its economy booms, the demand for cheap child workers continues, in factories and in homes. As India's middle classes get wealthier, the poor continue to be exploited.
Legal aid is a right in this country, but again, you need lawyers to come forth and work at that level. The public prosecutors are completely untrained on children's issues. So they really are not aware of even the latest Supreme Court and High Court judgments which are positive. They're not aware of most laws. So they're not going to stand there and fight for the child.
Calcutta will always be a magnet for the desperate. And in this tough city, the most vulnerable are women and children. South of the city, the Sanlap Center houses women and girls who are victims of violence and trafficking. Indrani Sinha, Sanlap's founder and a leading anti-trafficking campaigner, invited me to watch a performance that the residents had rehearsed for me. Residents are encouraged to come to terms with their abuse and to build self-esteem through counseling and dance therapy. After the performance, some of the girls were willing to share their stories. 18-year-old Frida has been at Sanlap for a year. After a fight with her father and stepmother when she was just 16 years old, she ran away with a friend who had promised to get her a good job. Instead, she was sold into a brothel.
So this man, he then abused her, used bad language and didn't really hit her but raped her.
Did she get raped once? Were there other people?
First week they did not send anybody because she was very unwell and she couldn't get up and all after that rape. But after that they started sending some people.
How many people do you think?
ওরা কি অনেক লোক পাঠাতো ঘরে?
এক সপ্তাহ পরে আমাকে 3-4 জন এরকম হয়ে আসছে। আমাকে তার জন্য মানে প্রত্যেকদিনই আমাকে গালাগালি দিত, ভীষণ বাজে বাজে কথা।
They used to abuse me and মারতো না,
মারতো না, আমাকে ধমকি দিত যে মারবো, মারতে যেত এরকম ভাবে। কিন্তু
she was not hit by them but they used to abuse her and send her at least 3-4 people every day.
তাদের মধ্যে অনেকে মানে কেউ কেউ হয়তো ভালো ছিল, তারা ভালো ব্যবহার করতো, আবার কিছু জন আছে ভীষণ বাজে রাফ ব্যবহার ছিল।
You don't want to go back to the house because your stepmother is still there?
বাড়িতে আমি এখন আর যেতে চাই না, কারণ আমার যখন যে টাইমটা আমি এসেছি তখন আমার টেস্ট পরীক্ষার সামনে ছিল, আমি দিতেও পাইনি। আর আমি ভাবি যে সংলাপে আমি এখন থাকবো, আমি নিজের ফিউচার আমি এখানেই তৈরি করতে চাই।
So what do you think you want to do? Do you have any idea of what you want to do?
আমি আগে ফার্স্টে ভাবি যে আমি গ্রাজুয়েশন কমপ্লিট করবো,
she'll do her graduation
and MBA.
Then she'll do MBA. And she's very hardworking, very intelligent.
Don't get upset.
No, Dipti, it's a good feeling when it comes out, it's some kind of a, like venting out, the frustrations. So it's a good feeling. Yeah. Good. Sometimes, they don't speak for days, they don't speak. They take lots of responsibilities, work, education. They're going everywhere. They're very happy, dancing. But then, when once you sit down and then they start speaking about themselves, then all this comes up. It's revisiting some of the sorrow or the bad experiences. But it also feels good after that.
I cry all the time. Tell her that it's okay.
আমিও কাঁদি তোমার মতন সব সময়। একজন আমি লিখলে আমার ভালো লাগে। তুমিও সেটা করতে পারো।
17-year-old Rupa came to Sanlap from a government shelter. They'd rescued her from a brothel where she'd been since she was 14.
আমি গিয়ে দেখি যে ছোট ছোট ড্রেস পরে আছে, আমি বলি, তখন আমি যখন সিঁড়ি থেকে উঠছি তখন দেখছি যে ছোট ছোট ড্রেস পরে আছে মেয়েরা, সে বিয়ার খাচ্ছে, সব খাচ্ছে, সিগারেট খাচ্ছে। আমি তখন বলি যে আমাকে বিক্রি করে দিয়েছে এখানটা। আমি তখন মনে হয়েছিল, তখন কত কান্নাকাটি করছিলাম, তা ওরা আমাকে আবার মারলো ধরে।
When you were locked in the room, she was beaten, and then did they give her drugs? What else?
তখন ওখানে কি তোমাদের কোনো ওষুধ টষুধ খাওয়াতো বা কিছু করতো? খাওয়াতো।
মোটা হওয়ার ওষুধ খাওয়াতো।
And how did you feel with that medicine?
ওষুধ খেলে ওই খাবার খিদে বাড়তো, তারপরে গা পা ফুলতো। তখন ওষুধটা যখন ছাড়া হয়ে গেছে,
she used to get very hungry after taking that medicine, and she had swollen feeling with that medicine. That's what she can explain.
Did it feel bad or did it feel good?
না, ভালো লাগতো ওষুধটা খেয়ে, না খারাপ লাগতো। She used to feel good. She used to feel good with the medicine.
Yeah. And then what happened?
ওখানটা আমার কাজ করে বসিয়েছে।
And customers were sent to her, and she was forced to do prostitution.
How many people would come in?
একদিনে কতজন আসতো? 10 to 12 customers a day. 10 to 12 men will come per day.
Were they still giving you drugs?
এখন তারপরে কি আর ওষুধ দিয়েছিল? তারপরে দেয়নি। ওইখানে যখন তুমি শুরু করলে তারপরে আর তোমায় দেয়নি। When she started doing prostitution, they did not give her any more drugs.
So it was that much worse.
Yeah, and then she also became pregnant.
How did she feel when she knew she was pregnant from someone that she?
ওখানে চেয়েছিলাম, ওখানকার ওই হোমের আন্টিরা করতে দেয়নি।
She wanted abortion, but that government home staff did not take any heed. They did not take any interest, so she had to carry the child.
How long was she there for?
কত মাস ছিলে তুমি ওখানটাতে?
ওখানে 1 মাস ছিলাম।
1 month.
Okay.
She was there, but she already got pregnant. So that's why she is saying that I was very happy to come out of that place.
Yeah.
That I was rescued because she was pregnant. Now she is in a dilemma to take her child or not to take her child. One day she says she's going to take her child. The next day,
And if she takes her child, what happens? Where does she have to go?
কোথায় যাবে? বাচ্চা নিয়ে যাবে না তো? She's in a dilemma. She doesn't want to leave her child, and again she says.
So does she have to leave here?
তোমার বাড়িতে যাবে? বাচ্চা নিয়ে যাবে? তারা নেবে? নিয়ে যাবে? She's in a dilemma. She wants to take her child. Only yesterday she told me she doesn't want to take her child, and today she has again changed. I know she's going to start crying. না, তুমি যা চাইবে সেটা হবে। হাসি?
Should she not stay here?
No, she doesn't.
She can't stay here.
She can't stay. She can't stay
With the child.
Yeah. No, but she can stay with the child. She can stay alone. She can leave the child. Whatever she wants, I'm with her. But she wants to go home also. That's also very, very important. তোমার বাড়ির লোকেরা এসেছিল? তারা নিয়ে যাবে বলেছিল? নিয়ে যাবে তোমার? বাচ্চা শুধু নিয়ে যাবে বলেছে? না, বলেনি। কিছু বলেনি। Oh, she just got her child 2 weeks ago.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so child is very young.